You might have heard about these upcoming productivity techniques, Eisenhower, Pomodoro, and time blocking. And what if we combine them? Of course, in my opinion, the combination is what makes it so incredibly helpful. Using the combination of these three, you'll always be aware about your priorities, stay focused, and you get structured and balanced through your day. Hello and welcome to another episode of Smart Little Changes, practical tips and tricks to improve your life. So let's dive into it and get a quick overview what we are talking about. Number 1, the Eisenhower Technique, named after the 34th President of the United States, Dwight D. Eisenhower. This method involves organizing your tasks based on their urgency and importance. You categorize them into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, do it as soon as possible. Important but not urgent, set a date when you will do it. Urgent but not important, you delegate it. Not urgent and not important, get rid of it and delete it. By prioritizing tasks this way, you can focus on what truly matters and reduce time wasted and less important activities. A study conducted by the University of Florida in 2017 found that participants who used the Eisenhower Technique reported a significant increase in productivity and a reduction in stress. So, back to the overview. The Eisenhower Technique is for prioritization. Next, let's talk about the Pomodoro Technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. This technique revolves around breaking your work into short, focused intervals called Pomodoros, usually lasting around 25 minutes, followed by a short break. During each Pomodoro, you concentrate solely on the task at hand and then reward yourself with a brief break once it's complete. A study conducted by the University of California, Berkeley, in 2018 demonstrated that the Pomodoro Technique improved participants' focus and concentration, leading to better task completion rates. So, the Eisenhower Technique is for prioritization, Pomodoro Technique is for staying focused. Finally, let's explore the time blocking technique, a method that involves scheduling specific time blocks in different tasks or activities. By doing this, you create a clear roadmap for your day or even your week and avoid multitasking. You allocate time blocks for all areas in life we were talking about in my 1% will change your life video, like business, security, networking, exercising, and relaxation. The key is to stick to your schedule and avoid distractions during each time block. And here also a study published in the Journal of Applied Psychology in 2020 revealed that the participants who practiced the time blocking technique experienced increased productivity and a better work-life balance. So the Eisenhower Technique is for prioritization, the Pomodoro Technique is for staying focused, and the time blocking technique is for structure and balance. In conclusion, these 3 techniques can supercharge your productivity and time management skills. I personally use these techniques, especially the combination, to organize myself, and it transformed my life in an amazing and positive manner. I would love to read what you think about the information in this video. Feel free to add your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I also hope you'll learn something new and that I could help you with my information. If you want to help me in return, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to support me, you can do so by using my PayPal. Be sure there will be many more helpful videos in the future. Stay productive. See ya!